Rahul. Firstly, great initiative here with Skechers Performance Mumbai Walkathon, a first of its kind. What would you like to say to all these amazing people that have turned up this Sunday morning?
Well, it's very simple. Walking is the most easiest thing everybody can do, and you don't really have to be, pushing yourself. Easy walk. It's fitness. Every doctor says, 20 minutes walk, 30-minute walk. So I think it's the simplest form of exercise. There are no restrictions, and I thought, on World Walking Day, this would be a great initiative where, the whole of Mumbai can come together and walk. So keep walking.
That's right. Hashtag Go Walk Mumbai. All right, moving the conversation up here to Shilpa. Do you have a mic? Yes, amazing. Shilpa, firstly, very excited to have you here. You're here this Sunday morning to motivate all these people. Of course, you're big on fitness. We know that. Anything you'd like to say to all these lovely people that have turned up this morning?
A very good morning to everyone. Gosh, it's 6:41. You don't need any motivation. I'm motivated by you guys. But this is wonderful. I'd like to congratulate Skechers on this great initiative. World Walking Day. Let's walk our way to success and fitness. Yeah. All the very best, all you guys. Just warm up before you start walking.
Absolutely.
Always do that. That's a prerequisite. And wonderful, wonderful. I'm so excited to be here.
Great. Sania, anything you'd like to add?
Hello, good morning everyone. So good to see you guys. I'm so excited. I wish I could also go with you guys and walk. I'm coming. I would say that walking is my favorite activity to do and it's the easiest. So I'm so happy you guys are actually up in the morning for this event. Congratulations to Skechers and go for it, guys.
That's it. That's what the lady says. Go for it. All right. Last but certainly not the least, we have Rahul here. Rahul, you too, ambassador of fitness. Love your workouts. We, of course, follow all of it. Is there anything you'd like to tell them? Maybe a couple of tips. Some of them are first-timers going out there, walking. I mean, we all have experience in walking, that's for sure. But anything you'd like to say to them?
Well, this isn't a Himalayan trek, so there's no real tip to give you. You just have to put one foot before the other and, we're all naturals. But I think most important is, first of all, I didn't know there was a World Walking Day. So thank you, Skechers, for bringing it to our notice. It's wonderful. You guys have done a great job. I'm just looking around. The facilities are totally world-class. But I think the most important thing for me, whether it's marathons, whether it's road races in different cities, is that these are the opportunities, whether you're going to watch a movie, whether you go to watch a play, whether you go and watch music in a show. These are the times when the city comes together. When strangers share the same road, what are the chances of all of us walking together? And I'm going to be walking, for 7 kilometers again. So these are the moments where Mumbai comes together, where cities come together, where communities come together. And we remember this somewhere in our subconscious as Indians. And tomorrow, if, God forbid, we're on that road and somebody needs help, it becomes that much easier to break that boundary. Good luck.
Amazing. Good luck to all of you. Yes, we're going to for the 7K walk. We request all of you to make your way to the flag off area. Thank you very much, and go walk Mumbai. Do not forget to use the hashtag Go Walk Mumbai. Apart from that, do not forget to tag Skechers Performance India. This is going to be a great Sunday morning. I wish all of you all the very best. Let's do this together, Mumbai. All the people, 7K. All the people who are here for the 7K walk. still have a couple of minutes left, and before we get into that, Rahul, up front, okay? CEO of Skechers India. Skechers has the best walking shoes. It's synonym enthusiasts who love walking.
Skechers makes the most comfortable, lightweight walking shoe. We put in a lot. Once you put in your feet in Skechers, you're not going to wear any other shoe. I can vouch for that. That's the awesome stuff.
Great, alright, ladies and gentlemen, a few more minutes before you guys unleash yourselves onto the roads. It's going to be great. We have the entire area blocked out for all of you. Make sure you enjoy this, and while you're at it, also make sure you use the hashtag GoWalkMumbai. And if you want to tag Skechers, we have two great dance performances for you. And to end this amazing Sunday on a very, very high note, we have the very amazing Anushka for all of us to make sure we unwind in the best way possible. So there is no motivation while you walk there with some great music in your ears. We promise you when you're back here, you will be greeted with some more great music. Alright? We have just your last 1 minute before we all leave. So make sure you catch your breath, plug on your great music, and get ready for the flag off. Of course, flagging off, we have Shilpa and Rahul. It's going to be amazing. So make sure we're going to do this together. Hashtag GoWalkMumbai. The very first edition of the Skechers Performance Mumbai Walkathon. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to keep coming back to walk every time we have this. But for now, you guys are kind of part of history. This is the very first time we're doing this. All the very best. In a few seconds from now, you're going to be on your way. Alright. Let's do this together, ladies and gentlemen. Do this with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1-2-1 मेरी जान, संडे के दिन 1-2-1।
सर वहाँ से प्लीज, वहाँ से हाँ साइड है, चलेगा, नहीं गिरेगी, टेंशन नहीं, यहाँ पर है, नहीं गिरेगी, वहाँ से
सो शिल्पा, सबसे पहले तो वर्ल्ड वॉकिंग डे की बहुत बहुत बधाई। क्या कुछ कहना चाहती हैं आज के इवेंट के बारे में, क्या कुछ कहना चाहती हैं आज के?
मुझे बहुत खुशी है इस इनिशिएटिव के साथ जो स्केचर्स ने लिया है, एक अवेयरनेस बढ़ाने के लिए कि ऐसा भी एक दिन है वर्ल्ड वॉकिंग डे, लेकिन सिर्फ इसी दिन पे वॉक नहीं करे, बस एक नई शुरुआत करे इस दिन पे। Walking really is the most convenient and the easiest way of staying fit. तो मैं बहुत वॉक करती हूँ और किसी भी लेवल ऑफ फिटनेस को अचीव करने के लिए ये शुरुआत अच्छी है। तो या स्टार्ट वॉकिंग टू स्टे फिट।
किस तरह की एक्साइटमेंट देखने मिली आपको कंटेस्टेंट्स में?
मैं खुद बहुत प्रेरित हो जाती हूँ जब मैं ऐसे इवेंट्स पे आती हूँ, वॉकेथॉन्स, मैराथॉन्स। इट्स रियली वंडरफुल टू सी कि लोग इतनी जल्दी सुबह उठ के प्रेपरेशन भी करते हैं इस चीज़ के लिए, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। और इससे देखने मिलता है कि एक अवेयरनेस बढ़ रही है फ़िटनेस को लेके, और सिर्फ शेप के लिए नहीं बट हेल्थ के लिए। तो आई रियली थिंक आई एनकरेज इवेंट्स लाइक दिस एंड kudos to Skechers who've done such a wonderful job.
फिटनेस के लिए वॉक कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है मैम आपके?
देखिए, ए के बाद बी आता है, बी के बाद सी आता है, आप सीधे राइटिंग शुरू नहीं कर सकते। सो दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टू वर्क आउट। अलग अलग फॉर्म्स होते हैं वर्कआउट्स में भी, फिटनेस अचीव करने के लिए भी, लेकिन वॉकिंग जो होता है वो सबसे सिंपल तरीका है फिटनेस अचीव करने के लिए। तो फ्रॉम अ 5-year-old to a 85-year-old, all of them can walk, and I really think it's the easiest way to stay fit. अपने पेस पे करें। अगर आप ज़्यादा वेट लूज़ करना चाहते हैं, ज़्यादा फिटनेस के लेवल को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, तो अपने पेस को थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज़ करना पड़ता है। सो इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट।
सो राहुल, आप क्या कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
Well, yeah, I mean, शिल्पा ने जो कहा, from that perspective, walking is सबसे easiest form of exercise है और हम सब लोग करते हैं, but you know it is just कि हम लोग consciously इसकी तरफ for health नहीं कर रहे हैं। You know, काम के लिए कोई भाग रहा है, you know, स्टेशन पे वॉक कर रहा है, so it's a normal form of exercise and I think सारे लोगों को ये इसके तरफ you know just a simple 20-minute वॉक करनी चाहिए on a daily basis। और आज वर्ल्ड वॉकिंग डे है, so आज से शुरुआत कीजिए।
शिल्पा जी, एक सवाल है कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो शुरुआत तो करते हैं वॉक करने की या एक्सरसाइज की, लेकिन बीच में छोड़ देते हैं, ऐसे लोगों को नहीं दिया।
देखिए, वॉक जैसे इन्होंने कहा, वॉक तो हम सभी करते हैं, लेकिन कॉन्शियसली हम अपने दिमाग को एक्टिवेट नहीं करते जब हम वॉक करते हैं, कि हम सही मसल्स का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं क्या, हम सही तरीके से स्टेप ले रहे हैं क्या। तो अगर कॉन्शियसली अगर आप सोचने लग जाओ कि अगर आप किसी बिल्डिंग में 7वें माले तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, तो आप क्या करोगे? अब तो सारे बिल्डिंगों में लिफ्ट्स तो हैं ही। क्या आप कॉन्शियसली चल के जाओगे 7वें माले तक? क्योंकि अगर आपके पास पूरे दिन में वक्त नहीं है, अगर आप ठान लो कि भैया आज से मैं लिफ्ट नहीं लूँगा, ये मेरा वर्कआउट है, तो कॉन्शियसली इफ़ यू रियली वर्क ऑन दोज मसल्स कि अब मैं हर स्टेप के साथ मैं अपने ग्लूट्स को वर्क करूँगा, मैं अपने पैरों को एक्टिवेट करूँगा, तो यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ दोज थिंग्स एंड लुक एट वॉकिंग विद दैट पर्सपेक्टिव फ्रॉम द एंगल ऑफ फिटनेस। हम सिर्फ चल रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ सांस ले रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ जी रहे हैं, यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। हम कॉन्शियसली एफर्ट नहीं डालते। ब्रीथ करने में भी कितना वक्त निकालते हैं आप कॉन्शियसली अपने ब्रेथ पे ध्यान देकर ब्रीथ करने के लिए? नहीं करते हम। द सेम विद वॉकिंग। तो यू एक्टिवेट द राइट मसल्स व्हेन यू इवन वॉकिंग। आप देखिए कितना फ़र्क पड़ता है आपकी फिटनेस में।
वर्ल्ड वॉकिंग डे की बात हो रही है, क्या कुछ आप कहना चाहेंगे
I think because of Dangal, a major change came into my life. I became very aware of about fitness and being healthy and eating healthy. And I was just telling someone कि हमारा every Sunday we used to walk 15 kilometers. And I remember my first week जब मेरे साथ वो हुआ था, तो पहले 2 Sundays तो मैं काफ़ी रोते रोते चलती थी because our coach was also very strict. But as she said that it's very true because we are not mindful enough when we are walking, and only a 15-minute or a 20-minute walk can make a huge difference to your fitness and your body. So if you are very mindful about holding your core and walking or breathing, as she said, it's very very important and makes a lot of difference. So if you're eating healthy and if you're only walking for 15-20 minutes, तो वो भी काफ़ी होता है दिन के लिए. So you don't have to like go to the gym and lift weights and do CrossFit or functional. ये everyday करने का चीज़ नहीं होता है. I also do it like twice a week or 3 times a week, and most of the part I like to do कि मेरे घर के पास एक पार्क है तो मैं चली जाती हूँ walk करने. And not only about fitness but it just makes me really happy. I don't know why. तो एक nature से connect होता है. We are always on our phone or on laptops या TV के सामने बैठे होते हैं. But वो कहीं ना कहीं we are losing the touch between the nature and all. तो कोई भी time मिलता है तो I make sure that I go to a park and go for a walk or a run. तो which is very very important, I think.
Inspired, right? You for fitness. I mean, she's known for that, and everyone looks up to her when it comes to being fit. So if you could tell me that.
I would say you can just look at her. She's so fit, and I follow her on Instagram and I follow her Sunday binge. I was just asking her कि आज Sunday binge करोगे? I would want to be a part of it. Though I'm binging every day, but that's what I want to do, यार. But मेरे लिए ना every week I try to follow a diet and then do a Sunday binge. But what happens कि मैं every day binge करती हूँ और Sunday को मैं सोचती हूँ कि आज मैं follow करती हूँ अपनी diet. But she has been an inspiration for all of us. Whether it's her yoga videos, I used to follow them just by the way on YouTube. Yes, yes. At home, because मैं जाती नहीं हूँ ऐसे yoga classes के लिए. But if I'm doing it, then I put her yoga classes like on that YouTube channel. चलो कोई तो करता है. नहीं यार, बहुत लोग करते हैं what. पर बहुत quite an inspiration.
Thank you guys. Last question.
शिल्पा जी, एक सवाल आपसे ये है कि महिलाओं के लिए आप आइडियल हैं, आदर्श हैं. तनुश्री दत्ता
नहीं,
मैंने जितना बोलना था मैंने बोल दिया है, मैंने स्टैंड लिया है, तो खत्म हो गई बात.
Let's stick to the event, please.
हाँ.
सना, आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे इसमें?
किसमें? I feel I'm glad that people are coming out and talking about it because it's high time. और कोई बात कर रहा है तो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है उनका साथ देना और उनको सुनना. तो मुझे लगता है कि आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट दे आर कमिंग आउट एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस.
Rahul, then tell us, how did you come up with this concept? Coming up with walking home?
Well, it's actually interesting. Again, it started from a very small thought that everybody's walking. We make walking shoes. We actually created the whole category of walking shoes, and then the whole idea came up is that how do we get guys together? Everybody walks. It's a good me time. Why don't people do that? Just get everybody walking. So there are marathons. There are a lot of other events happening, but for a simplest form of exercise, there was nothing. So that's how we said let's do it in Bombay first, and the idea is to roll out across India. So we'll have it in Delhi, Bangalore, rest of the country also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.